Welcome to this technical guide on the TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM21 isn't heating up properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty solenoid, which is crucial for regulating the heating mechanism. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, such as permanent damage to the heating system or even a complete breakdown of your device. To resolve this, you will need a few essential tools, including a screwdriver set, a replacement solenoid, tweezers, and some thermal paste to ensure proper heat transfer when reassembling. First, make sure your TM21 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the device over and locate the screws securing the back cover. Using your screwdriver, gently remove these screws, taking care not to strip them. Once the screws are out, you can lift the back cover off. Be cautious as there may be wires attached that you don't want to damage. Inside, look for the solenoid, which is typically located near the heating element. It may be secured with additional screws, so check for those and remove them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you remove the solenoid, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it, ensuring you note where each one connects for reassembly later. When installing the new solenoid, connect the wires first, making sure they are firmly attached. Then, secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. It's wise to apply a little thermal paste to ensure the best heat conductivity when you put everything back together. Once the solenoid is installed, replace the back cover of your TM21, ensuring all wires are tucked safely away from any moving parts. Screw the back cover on securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could crack the casing. Finally, plug in your TM21 and test to see if it's heating up properly. If it works, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the device and check for any signs of wear on the solenoid or other components. Keeping it well maintained can help extend its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.